This is a diagram. In this diagram, it is given question based on connected body without using the string. So here, all the three body has equal masses and force of 5 Newton is applied. So the first question is find acceleration. Second question is find force of contact between or net force on A. Second is the net force on A. Net force on A. And third is the force of contact between A and B. And the fourth is the force of contact between B and C. So first we need to find free body diagram. Here one thing I want to say that these are the motion of a connected body. So directly you can find acceleration. There is no need to free body diagram. Directly you can find acceleration. Acceleration is equal to net force by net mass. So net force is the 5 Newton and mass is the 30 kg. So it will be 1 by 6 meter per second square. But in order to find net force on A, force of contact between A and B, force of contact between B and C, we need to draw the free body diagram. For net force on A, here force of contact, this is R, this is the force. So we can see that 5 minus R is equal to mass of A is 10 into A is the 1 by 6, so you can find R. If we need to find force of contact between A and B, then here it is important point you must remember that mass of B and C will be taken together. It will be joined. So 20 kg, it is 10 kg, here force 5 Newton, this is the contact force, here force of contact R. So for both the body, for this body you can write 5 minus R is equal to 10 into A. And for this body, R is equal to 20 into A. A value we have already got. Put the value either in equation 1 or 2. Equation 2 you put. So it is 20 into A, 1 by 6. That is the Newton, is the force of contact between A and B. In order to find force of contact between B and C, you have to join A and B. This is very, very important point. If you want to find, so this will be 20, this will be 10. This is B and this is C. So you have to join mass of A and B. You have to take it together mass of A and B. That is 20. And this is the force 5 Newton. This is the force of contact. This is the force of contact. So you can say that 5 minus R is equal to 20 into A or R is equal to 10 into A. So A value we have already got. So here A is equal to 1 by 6. This is Newton is the force of contact between B and C. So again I want to remind, when the bodies are three bodies or more than three bodies are connected together, you can directly find common acceleration. And if you want to find force of contact between A and B, then B and C is taken together. Masses of B and C are taken together. So this is the condition where you need to find force of contact between B and C. Then mass of A and B are taken together, 20 kg. And in this way you can calculate the numericals.